Hi guys, just want to do a quick video on the 2025 Spruce and Bubinga guitar that I currently have listed on Reverb. All the specifications regarding dimensions and materials used should be in the listing. If there's something that I missed or something a little bit more obscure that you're wanting to know about the instrument, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to get back to you. I can do that either via email or I can set up a Zoom meet, which I actually kind of prefer because then it's real time. I can answer your questions as they arise, show you, on camera, just kind of like move the guitar around, show you all the different specifics of it, and then do some sound samples based on kind of things that you might be looking for. That being said, this was finished just last night. I got the strings on it. I have a case coming. I ordered a case for it. The case hasn't shown up yet, so the listing will not have pictures of the case, but it will come with a hard shell case, unless it sells right away and the buyer doesn't care about the case. So here we go. I'm just going to play a couple of chords on it, make sure it's still in tune, and if you have any other questions regarding it, feel free to reach out, and like I said, I'm happy to get back to you. Well, I missed that chord at the end there, didn't I? But there you go. That's the 2025 Bubinga and Spruce 640 millimeter scale length guitar. Thank you.